Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Sasha Gay, and as you can see from the title, we have another unboxing.
But in the midst of all his enemies, now you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get defeat. Now you keep me firm.
Before I get into this box, I'm just going to remind you to like, share with your friends and your family and your family's families and your aunties and your uncle and the puppy of your puppies. Subscribe to my channel. Leave something if you have something to say, and be sure to hit that bell notification to be notified once I upload a video. This is a serious matter for me, alright? Because I have been trying to get this box for the last year or two, maybe 2 years, and finally I have gotten my hands on a CURLBOX. This is another monthly subscription, guys. 2,000, call it 3,500 Jamaican and $25 US. Nobody quote me on the maths. All right, so let's jump into this box, guys. Let me show you what it looks like.
Very nice.
And we are going to jump right into it. Again, we have one of these things, a curl book or curl magazine, and we have the product that we got this month is Afrosheen, my first ever month, by the way. Then this has all of the information on the products. Now I'm excited about this box. It took me very long, but I think it was worth my wait. I didn't even tell you why I'm so crazy about getting this box in particular. I like the products that they get every month, and it's normally products that I want to try and never tried before. I've never seen this product before, let alone to try it. And it's Afrosheen. It's a whole styling line of product, which is my favorite line of hair products. It's my favorite collection of products, I should say. Styling products, favorite, absolute favorite. A good deep conditioner is of course important, and the rest is important, and I like them too. I would say my second class of product is a good deep conditioner. You didn't know about deep conditioner? You didn't know about that? Make sure say a deep conditioner your ear, cause otherwise you're gonna have problems. So these are all styling products. Let me just unpack the box. Get that.
Stop it. Get some help.
So there. The first product that we have is a mousse. It's a foaming mousse, and for your sets, your perm rod set, your roller sets, for all of your sets, this is a very good product to invest in. If you're somebody that wants to do rod sets, perm sets, any sets of any nature, a good mousse is not showing you the right part of the product. A good mousse is crucial for any of those styles, and I'm happy to have received this because I really don't have a mousse right now. Well, I have mousse that I used to secure my wig, but that's another day, another topic for another video. This is the detangler and leave-in spray, and you need to be detangling your hair, and you need to use something to help you. I don't want to hear that I'm no longer natural because my hair is thick and cannot comb out, and this and that and ray. You know about relaxer? You're supposed to know about detangler too if you want to be natural. Don't come with the relaxer stuff on here, right? The texture setting cream gel, and don't be fooled by the name, guys. It's a styler. The gel cream component has to do with the consistency and what you are going to use this product to do, as well as your hair type. Your hair type is very important when selecting a styling product. So I would say this is, for me, this could be a wash and go product or a wash and work, or for say a 4C textured hair, more coarser hair texture, this could possibly be a very good twisting or braiding product for your type of hair. The fourth product is Sleek Back Cream Styler, and this is a cream styler, another product ideal for twisting, braiding, anything of that sort. 4 styling products basically. The final product is a 3-in-1 nourishing oil, right? And oils, depending on the ingredients, could be used as hot oil treatment, massage oils for the scalp, for your body. That's an option as well. So we got 5 full-size products. Yes, 5 full-size products in this curl box. That's very good for $25 in my opinion. And another great thing, it's all styling products.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Fun days are ahead. Thank you if you have made it to the end of this video. Thank you very much. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend say something going over here. Tell me in the comment section if you want to see these products, if you are excited about seeing me try any of these products. And please remember to follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Enjoy your night. I am going to go and smell these products.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Until next time, guys. Thank you for stopping by.